Just listen to the sounds of paradise in an aquaponics greenhouse. The frogs singing outside, the water and air bubbling inside. Isn't that just beautiful? Sun's going down, it's dark. I'm here planting lettuce, trying to. Listen to the frogs, water. This is paradise. This is lovely. How could you find a better place to be than this? So maybe in the warm arms of someone you love. Or maybe in the warm arms of someone you love, enjoying this. It's nothing on TV, it's this good. This is great. Awesome. Just soak it up for a minute. And geese. Wow. Geese, frogs, water. Can't beat it. All a piece of paradise. You too can have a piece of paradise. You just got to be willing to work to build it. Alright. If you enjoyed the video, Greg Allison, Bring Greg's Garden and Worm Farm. Click like, subscribe, and pound the bell, bang the bell for update notifications.